We started in 1948, served Cedar Falls for over 75 years. My grandfather, my great-grandfather started the business.
One of the best family-owned businesses in the Cedar Valley. I was the 14th driver, 14 drivers when I started. Now we got 37. It's gotten busier every year I've done this job.
We get the privilege to supply a variety of projects. We want this community to be as good as it can be, so we take a lot of pride in. We started buying from Contact mainly due to the relationship that we had with the owners. They always took good care of us. They treat us well. They have quality mixers and great customer service, provide us with a product that is able to help us run our business more efficiently. The truck gets put to the test in the harshest climates.
From the beginning to now, it's night and day. The Contact mixers are bigger hoppers, can load a truck easier. Discharging, a lot better.
The mixers now have come such a long way from when I first started driving. The fins, you didn't have holes in the fins. Now it's nice because you got the big holes that they go all the way through. Before in the old mixers, it seemed like you had to slow your drum down to get the very last little bit off your fins. But now with these, you wind it up just a little bit and you're empty. And like I say, you hit your vibrator and scrape your chute, you're good. Very driver friendly.
The controls, it's all right here. Easy to memorize. Don't have to look at it.
And then the remote inside, the wireless remote, that's also nice.
The wash down pressure is good. You kept plenty of pressure to wash down. Do what you gotta do.
You've got suppliers like Contact that are local. It gives us peace of mind keeping quality mixers on the road.
The drum life's a big thing. For the time that we keep the trucks, we don't have to do any work in there. The easiest thing is to keep buying them. Great people, they listen, they know who you are.
No downtime for getting parts when you're kind of in a season that's kind of a short window, keeping our equipment on the road and keeping our customers happy. Safety is a top priority for us, and anything that can make us better in that aspect, we want to strive for that, and Contact does a great job of always staying ahead of the curve.
The safety latch on the chute, I know in the past I've heard of guys getting their fingers caught in there. Now, if you got a contractor that flips a chute over, that ain't gonna happen.
Before they never had no handles or anything to grab onto going up and down, and now they got them on there.
Like I say, with the technology of these trucks that are coming out now, it's making it easier and easier on the driver, which is much appreciated. We're fortunate to have what we have here, for sure.
It's an ever-changing industry. We can relate in a lot of ways what Contact does for their customers. We believe they have the best mixers on the market, and that helps us run our business that much smoother.